Hello guys, welcome to Khmer Technology. Today I'll show you how to make words behind people, behind the objects in Photoshop. So when you open Photoshop and then you click find the image that you want to edit. So I take this picture, drag it in the Photoshop. So here and click lock here. So I add a text here, which is I write the word secret. Make bigger pitch, bigger text. For example, like this. Yeah, like this. And you have to duplicate this one. Right click, duplicate layer, and click OK. Move it at the top. So click at the top here. Go to select subject. Yeah, and go here on the left side. Select quick selection tool and reduce here. Reduce here. So I just want the text behind only the people only. The flower no. And then just go to layer at the top here. Layer mask and reveal selection. See? Finish. So you can save this image. Just want to save the desktop. PNG, save. Okay. Go to the desktop, open. Yeah, nice. So that's all. So please subscribe for more video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.